Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Real quick disclaimer, I'm wearing the same shirt in the last other two videos because I pre-filmed a whole bunch of videos. Well, this is the last one. Because I wanted to get back on my schedule. So I hope the shirt doesn't mind you. It's like Chris Brown tour short. That's bae. But nah, seriously. I feel like if I were to notice someone with the same shirt 3 times, I'd be like, oh, she didn't say anything. So I pre-filmed these 3 videos. Don't mind me. Okay, it's because I want to be back for you guys. So, as you can tell by today's video title, I am going to be doing a Fashion Nova mini haul. It's not really a haul because it's not a huge amount of items, but a mini haul, which is their Curve edition, plus size edition, whatever you want to call it. They call it Curve, Fashion Nova Curve. So this is my bag. I believe I got like 6 items. 6 items, I believe. So I haven't opened it yet, as you can tell. So I'm going to open it up. I'm going to try all the items on for you guys and let you know how it fits, how it feels. This is my first Curve haul, so it's pretty interesting. To find out my size in the jeans, I actually went to the mall to try on jeans like in an American Eagle, and then I ordered that same size but for Fashion Nova because I have never been this size, so I didn't know what size I was. So I'll let you guys know how it fits, how it feels, and then you guys could probably use this or maybe use this to see if you want to order some Curve items for yourself. So the item names and maybe hopefully the links will be down in the description bar, along with the size that I purchased it in. If you need a size reference, I am 5'6" in height, and normally I get long or tall in jeans, so they're long enough. And yeah, so if you're interested in seeing this Fashion Nova Curve haul, then just keep on watching. So let's open this bad boy up. And then I cut through a shirt of mine. You know how tight I think? So I got a couple of jeans and some tops because I'm doing really bad on jeans. Ooh, this helps. I have the names for y'all. That helps. The only thing I don't like about Fashion Nova is that if something doesn't fit and you need to return it, you can, but you have to pay for postage and you only get store credit. So that to me is whack. And when you pay for postage, it's like, what's the point? Alright, so I'm going to start with this. These are the Statuesque booty lifting jeans. I got it in the color black and size 13. Let's see. This is like a denim type of material. Alright, let's hope I fit into these. Let's hope. So the next thing I got was this Street Romance long sleeve top in black and in a size XL. And this is my Tupac shirt. Well, long sleeve. We'll see how this fits. And I'm going to try these on. You're going to see them on with the black jeans. So you'll see this on. So this is this fit on. These are the black jeans I got. The Tupac shirt I got. Okay, so let's talk about these. These fit good on my legs. My thighs feel fine. My legs feel fine. But on the tummy area, they're high rise. They come up to right here. Should I show you guys? I don't really want to show you, but I feel like I should, right? Alright, so it comes up here, but it's so tight that it creates this like fupa area, which I don't have. Like, it's cutting off so up and so tight that it creates that. So I don't like that at all. You guys can see that. Yeah. And it also makes my butt look super duper flat. Like, what is this? These are supposed to be butt lifting jeans. I don't understand. So, but like leg wise it feels good. So I guess if I had a smaller waist and these thighs, but that's like so, like that just doesn't really happen much. But whatever. Maybe when I do start losing a little bit of weight, it'll fit better. But as of right now, I don't think so. But they feel good on the leg area. So what else? This shirt feels great. I always worry a lot about shirts now that I'm on the thicker side when it comes to the arms situation, but this feels super good. It's super soft, and I like the look of it. It's comfy, you know. But this is the shirt. It's pretty long if you put it all the way down, but who wears their clothes like this? Like, you know, you gotta zhuzh it up a little. But yeah, this is the first fit, and I'll show you guys the other ones. So the other pair of jeans that I got is it's apparently called heavy lifting jeans in the medium blue wash. I got these in a size 13. I got these in a size 14. I got them in a size 13. So if I got them in a size 13, that means that I read the reviews and it said that it was super stretchy, or the reviews also said to size down. Because in the American Eagle ones that I got a size 14. So that means the reviews had to say to size down for me to size down. Fashion Nova, the sizing is pretty tricky. Like, you can get a 13 and something and a 9 and something else. So read the reviews and see like what I'm saying. Like, if people say to size down, or if they're not stretchy or they are stretchy, blah blah blah. Well, these are pretty. Alright, I hope so. So you'll see these on. And I'm gonna try these on with the shirt, the other shirt I got, which is, oh, I didn't read you the name. Oops. Which is the Got Me Twisted top in burgundy in a size 1X. You'll see this on with the medium blue wash jeans. So this is the medium wash jeans and the shirt. I like this shirt, but I would like it way more without these jeans, because just like the black ones, is this little fupa area situation, which I don't like. But again, on the legs it's perfect, and this one shapes my butt a little bit better, but it's just up here is too tight, so it's creating this situation. So I'm pretty sure I'm gonna go up in both of them to a 14, just for like the waist size. But then I know they're gonna be a little bit around the legs, but whatever, I have to pick one. But quality wise, these are great. I love them. I really like them actually. I just need to get them bigger up here. And this shirt I like I said with the other shirt, the sleeves worry me on things like these, but it's good, and it's not like cropped. Like, I wouldn't wear a crop top. So with high-waisted, she just woke up from a nap. I'm sorry if you hear her, but she's in there with her dad, so she'll be fine. So these, I like the shirt just with a different set of jeans. I'm gonna throw the windbreaker on real quick and show you guys the last piece. The last item I got in this mini haul situation is the Mia Windbreaker jacket in black and white in a size XL. So I like windbreakers, and I don't have one that fits me now. So I got something that hopefully could be like a staple in my collection, like, you know, something that I can wear with anything. So, ooh, this seems cute. Ooh, I didn't even like this. So I'm gonna put these on with the medium blue wash jeans too. So you'll see all those items on. I'll let you know how it fits. So here is for that piece. So this is the Windbreaker. So this is exactly what I was talking about. The sleeves on things is what doesn't fit me well or at all sometimes. So these sleeves are like, you see that? It's like killing me. It's just killing me. So, this situation I already spoke about on the jeans, but this is a cute Windbreaker. It's a cropped one. Are these fake pockets? Why do they make fake pockets? It's so dumb. Wow, I totally disagree with that, but cool. I don't know how to feel about this. I like the look, but so if I do want to exchange this, then I'm gonna have to go for a 1X, because this is an XL, I believe. So we'll see. But this, like, yo no entiendo. We'll see. But the quality is okay on this. The quality on the jeans is way better. So I have to go apparently run to my newborn. So yeah, these are the fits, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed my mini haul Fashion Nova curve situation. It wasn't a whole bunch of items, but it was a good amount of items. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It was 5 items, 5 or 6 items. I don't know. It was like 5 items, and like I said, these are all on the bigger side, size wise. They're all XL or up, and they're bigger on the jean area. So like I said, this is my first time trying curve clothing on, and honestly I like it. I like it. I fuss with it. I did also get jeans at, why am I playing with my hair like I'm 12? I did also get jeans at American Eagle. So if you're looking for good quality jeans that fit well, you can get them either here and then hope that they fit so you don't have to ship it back, or also American Eagle came out with did they call it curve? They did call it curve, a curve collection as well, like a next stretch curve collection, something like that. But it fit pretty good, and it was really stretchy, and it's more of a jegging material. So that was it. If you guys have any questions, let me know down in the comments, and I think that's it. The next video you will not see me with the shirt on, because that's it. That was it for this. So I'll see you guys in my next video. As always, thumbs this video up, like it, subscribe. And I haven't said this. I just noticed I haven't said this in like 2 videos. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend, and bring your tias, your abuelos, your amigos, amigas. Bring them all over to my channel. I'm really trying to grow this now. I really am. Like I want to grow this. I want my family on YouTube to grow, and I want to engage with you guys. Comment, let me know things, ask me things, follow me on Instagram, I'll follow back, stuff like that, you know. I'll see you guys in the next one, and that's it. Bye guys.